Hello boys and girls, I am Ms. Moran and this is your math lesson for today. And before we begin, let us go over what we're going to learn today. Let me show you real quick. So today we continue with number sense, numbers and counting, and one-to-one correspondence. And what all that means is that we're going to learn how to recognize the numbers and how to count objects up to 10. Recognize the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 10. And then count objects. And then be able to match, okay, this is number 1 and this is one thing to it, all right? And this is important because this is a skill that we need for the rest of our lives. We need to learn how to identify numbers and how to count things, all right? So let's start our activity for today. And again, like yesterday, our activity is going to be basically our homework that I'm helping you with. But then after the video is over, you're going to do it by yourself. And then when you finish, always tell your mom to check it for you, all right? So let me show you that. Okay, so this is today's activity, and then on the top, the instructions say, match the rider to the bus for matching numbers. So you're going to match the riders, the little kids that are going to ride the bus, with the little dots, the number that they have with the little dots. You cannot move the buses cannot be moved, but you can move the kids, all right? For this, Mom and Dad, if you still have that paper that you did at the beginning of the week that I told you to write 1 through 10 in order, you can pull that one out to help them out, or you can help them with this one actually. I know I said that they could do it by themselves, but now looking at it, it might be hard for some of them. But if you look at the buses, you have to count the dots and then look for the number. So this one is 1. So we have to look for number 1. There's number 1, so we're going to put her right there. Number 1's going to ride the bus with the 1 dot. Okay, how many dots? 1 and 2. So we have to look for number 2. Where's number 2? Here it is. So we're going to put her right there. And now we're going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3. So we have to look for number 3. Is that number 3? Nope. There's number 3. So we're going to put number 3 right there. And then we're going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to look for number 4. Is that 4 or is that 4? That one's 4. So we're going to put him right there. Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look for number 5. Is that 5 or is that 5? That one's 5. So we're going to put number 5 right there. Now count again the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 6 or is that 6? This one, right? So we're going to put it right there. And we're going to count the dots again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that 7 or is that 7? Which one's 7? This one. Okay, good job. So we'll move it up here. And now we're going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that 8 or is that 8? Or this one? It's the little girl, right? So we're going to put 8 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 9 or is this 9? This one, right? And then we're going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's number 10. You know, the one with the 1 and the 0 together. That's 10. Good job. Okay. So when you're doing your homework, I want you to count the dots too. And then send it to me. I think that homework is pretty easy and I hope you like it and enjoy it. But before we go, let's review what we learned today. So today we learned how to recognize the numbers from 1 to 10. And we counted dots and we matched up the number to the dots. Okay? And this is an important skill because we need to learn how to recognize numbers and how to count objects and how to match up the objects to the number as well. Okay, I hope you enjoy your lesson and I will see you next time. Don't forget to be reviewing your numbers and your shapes. If you haven't done that, go ahead and go back and do that, okay, after you finish your homework. All right, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.